Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Christmas tree bag is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential investments for anyone who cherishes their festive decorations, transforming the annual post-holiday struggle of packing away a bulky 9-foot artificial tree into a surprisingly simple and stress-free task, ensuring your beloved centerpiece remains pristine and ready for many joyful seasons to come without the usual hassle of tangled lights or crushed branches. Number 5. ZOBER 9-foot large Christmas tree storage bag. This bag offers reliable protection for your Christmas tree. It shields it from damage, dust, and moisture, ensuring it stays pristine for next season. Crafted from heavy-duty, waterproof polyethylene plastic, it's designed to withstand the test of time. You can count on its durability for many seasons to come. With 2 stitch-reinforced handles, transporting your tree is simple. Move it easily between storage and your living room without any hassle. An attached card slot helps you stay organized. You can label and identify its contents quickly, making setup and takedown a breeze. The dual zipper opens wide, making placement and removal of your tree uncomplicated. No assembly is required, just unfold and insert your tree. What we like? This first bag is built with heavy-duty, waterproof plastic, offering robust protection for your tree. It also features a convenient label card slot, making it easy to identify your tree year after year. If you're looking for a simple, durable, and well-organized storage solution that keeps your tree safe from the elements, this one is a solid choice. What people say. Number 4. Handy Laundry 9-foot Christmas tree storage bag. This bag is designed to hold artificial trees up to 9 feet tall. It even has extra room for your tree toppers, lights, and other festive accessories. Featuring a convenient double-pull zipper, loading and unloading is a breeze. Multiple sturdy handles make carrying or pulling it simple and hassle-free. Crafted from a robust, tarp-like material, it maintains its shape even when full. This ensures a reliable storage solution that will serve you for many seasons to come. It safeguards your valuable holiday decorations from dust, moisture, and pests. Store your tree with confidence, knowing it will remain in perfect condition until next year. Its generous dimensions and sturdy build make it perfect for more than just Christmas trees. Use it for other holiday decor, outdoor cushions, or even as a handy moving bag. What we like? Next up, we have a bag with a truly spacious design, accommodating your 9-foot tree and extra holiday accessories. Its sturdy, tarp-like material retains its shape, providing reliable, long-term storage. If you need ample space not just for your tree but also for other decorations, or even for general household storage, this versatile bag is perfect. What people say. No source reviews were provided in the input JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted or quoted as per the instructions. Number 3. Holiday Spirit 9-foot Christmas tree storage bag. This bag offers ample space for your holiday essentials. It can store artificial trees up to 9 feet, along with garlands and lights, keeping them organized year after year. It provides complete protection for your artificial tree. This bag shields it from dust, moisture, and pests, ensuring it stays in perfect condition for every festive season. Crafted from strong 600D Oxford canvas, it boasts a heavy-duty construction. This material is tear-resistant and waterproof, ideal for secure, long-term storage in attics or garages. Moving your stored items is simple with its easy-carrying design. It features reinforced, triple-stitched handles for both strength and comfort, making lifting and transporting effortless, even when fully packed. Loading and unloading are made convenient thanks to its wide opening. It includes a smooth dual zipper that fully opens, allowing you to store and retrieve decorations without any risk of damage. What we like? This third option stands out with its heavy-duty 600D Oxford canvas, ensuring tear-resistant and waterproof protection. It boasts reinforced triple-stitched handles, making it incredibly strong and comfortable to carry. If you prioritize premium material quality and effortless, secure transport, even when fully packed, this bag is designed for you. What people say. Number 2. Stor Rolling Christmas Tree Storage Bag. Keep your festive decorations organized and protected all year round. This spacious bag accommodates disassembled Christmas trees up to 9 feet, along with garlands, wreaths, and even deflated inflatables. It's the perfect solution for all your holiday storage needs. Crafted from durable polyester fabric with a PVC lining, it ensures your artificial trees stay debris-free. This robust design also resists moisture, pests, and dust, safeguarding your delicate holiday treasures from damage. Transporting your decorations has never been simpler. Equipped with smooth rollerblade-style wheels, it glides effortlessly. For tighter spots, built-in side handles and carry straps provide convenient lifting and maneuvering. Load and secure your items worry-free. An extra-long zipper makes access a breeze, while interior straps keep everything snugly in place. A front label pocket allows for easy identification of its contents. Made from high-quality 600D Oxford canvas, PVC, nylon, and polyurethane, it's built for reliability. Its generous dimensions ensure ample space for your holiday essentials, all in a festive green color. What we like. Moving on, this bag offers unparalleled ease of movement thanks to its rollerblade-style wheels. It also includes interior straps for securing your tree and a front label for quick identification. If you struggle with heavy lifting or want to effortlessly glide your tree from storage to display, this rolling bag is an absolute game-changer. What people say. Number 1. Carrywell Heavy-Duty 9-Foot Christmas Tree Storage Bag. After the festive season, ensure your cherished Christmas tree is safe. This bag offers year-round protection from dust, moisture, pests, and damage, keeping it pristine for many holidays to come. Crafted from tear-proof material and reinforced stitching, it's designed for long-lasting use. Its waterproof 600D Oxford canvas and laminated interior provide superior protection against the elements. A transparent card slot allows for easy labeling, while the full-length dual zipper opening ensures no fuss placement. Its generous dimensions accommodate artificial trees up to 9 feet. Equipped with 2 top and 2 side handles, carrying your tree becomes a breeze. Each handle is reinforced with box stitching, providing added strength and durability for easy maneuvering. When not in use, this storage solution conveniently folds flat. It takes up minimal space in your basement or attic, making off-season storage simple and efficient. Proudly American-owned and headquartered in Miami, Florida, this product is not made in China. It is 100% made in Cambodia, ensuring quality craftsmanship and ethical production. What we like. Finally, we have a heavy-duty bag crafted from durable 600D Oxford canvas with a laminated interior for extra protection. A unique selling point is its origin, as it's not made in China, offering an alternative for conscious consumers. If you value specific sourcing and appreciate handles reinforced with robust 4-way stitching for maximum carrying strength, this option is worth considering. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.